Hi, I am Charles. This video will talk about group data. Let's get started. First, click and drag to select the columns. Then, click on the Data tab. Click on the arrow beside Group. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on Group. And now the columns are grouped together. You can follow the same steps to group the rows. To hide the grouped columns, click on the minus button. And now the columns are hidden. To expand the grouped columns, click on the plus button. And now the grouped columns are expanded. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoy this video and have learned something today. Thanks for watching.